Hello my loves, welcome back to the vlog. It's Friday. I feel like I always get the most inspired to vlog on Fridays because I'm like, it's the weekend, I'm ready, I'm inspired. I've had like a week full of chaos. Even though I don't work like a normal 9 to 5, I still feel like the weekends hit different. You know what I mean? Like it's a different vibe, it's a different energy. Today's original plan was literally to just like stay at home, work on a bunch of stuff, clean up, kind of have like a self-care day, which I did. I like did a whole face mask. I got this new steamer from Dr. Dennis Gross, which I'll show you guys when I use it tomorrow morning because I used it today and I was like, this is exciting. I like a nice little facial steamer, but we got called in to do a gig at Hampton Social, which we did on Sunday. We did our first acoustic gig, Mark and I, and it was so much fun. Like it was so chill, so easy. Everyone was so nice. So. Can I say so any more times? So we absolutely loved doing that gig. And so when we got called to do it today, I was like, absolutely. It's super chill. We're going on at 8 p.m., 8 to 10. Cake. Piece of cake. So I'm still just working on some stuff. I'm actually editing a vlog that is gonna go up today. So if you wanna catch that, you can already go watch it. This week has been pretty busy. I performed last night, which was fun, or yesterday during the day. And then we just have a bunch of things going on this weekend, as well as we have some friends from El Paso. My trainer, who's a bodybuilder, she's competing here this weekend. So that's exciting. I'm singing tonight, tomorrow. I don't play Sunday, but we're gonna be doing like brunch and all of the things and hanging out with our friends. So it should be a fun-filled, crazy weekend. Also, this is my desk area. I don't know if I've ever showed it to you guys, but I'm editing a vlog right now. I need to organize whatever all of this is. Eventually, that should be its own video because it needs help. And I fixed my nail. As usual, like what's new? I'm lucky I like put on my makeup today because I was like, maybe I'll just like have a chill day where I don't do my makeup. But I was like, well, I have to film a couple things. And it's always those days that I don't get ready that for some reason, last minute we're going somewhere. So I'm gonna get some editing done. I'm gonna make a matcha right now and get this video up and then get ready for the show. Okay, currently painting my nails, kind of trying to decide what I'm gonna be wearing tonight. I love these earrings. I forget where I got them, but I don't know why recently I've just been loving red nails. I know they're kind of like trending, but I've stayed away from the color red for so long. I don't know why. Because now I got this red dress. I just got this dress in today. Let me show you guys. Just got this red dress from Mioa's. I'll tag it down below or I'll link it, but it's so freaking cute. Like it's the perfect midi sized dress. And I don't know, red is definitely hitting different. And it kind of looks, I don't know why red used to literally be my favorite color. It's the color of my car. I painted my walls red, which is too much. That is excessive. Definitely regretted that. But I don't know. I was really into red and then I got over it and I stayed away from it for a long time. And now I'm like back on that train. But I'm liking the red nails with the red dress. So what I typically do is I'll just like do press on nails. I get this from Amazon and I'll glue them on and then I'll just paint over them with this Sally Hansen Insta Dry red nail polish. The only nail polishes I have right now are like red and white because my toes are white. I just paint over them every single week. I'm just too lazy to go to the salon, guys. I really need to. I feel like it would save me some time, but I don't want to put in the initial time to get it done. I don't know why I'm like this, but I am. It's just also easier because if I do feel like changing up the color or the style, like I can just pop them off and then redo them. And I don't know. I like doing I feel like I've been doing a lot of things at home. Just makes it a little easier, a little more sustainable, a little more affordable. But yes, I did my hair. My only issue is that I never wait long enough for them to dry, so I'm gonna need to just let them dry. Filling up the water bottle. I actually changed. I put on this brown long dress. I asked people on Instagram what they thought and they said the brown, so I was like, all right, we'll go with that. always fill up the water bottle every single time where I go. All right, this is the final fit. Cutie patootie brown dress. Not too patootie because it's really long. Super cute.
Okay.
You ready, babe?
Yeah, I did my hair.
Good morning, and just like that, I am back, refilling my water bottle. Nothing new. Drinking as much water as possible. We had our gig last night. It went really well. It was super chill. We were done at like 10. And then we just came home and knocked out. Slept so good. The weather is so nice out today. We had our little geese come to the front yard. They were geesing. They were doing their thing. And we're gonna go to the gym. We both play tonight. He plays with a different band and I play with my band. So we're gonna head to the gym, do a quick little workout, nothing too crazy. I think I'll just do shoulders today, honestly. Or maybe a little bit of glutes. I'm not sure because I'm really sore all over. Yesterday was like a recovery day for me, so like I just walked and did the massage chairs and stretched. Yeah, and then probably just have a chill day. I need to clean up the house. It's kind of a mess. And then we both have gigs downtown tonight, so we'll head there. Get the day started. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. I wish the weather was always like this, where it's like not too hot, not too cold, just perfect. The cicadas are cicading. The cicadas have been so loud. It's you.
Cowboy hat that you have?
Mm-hmm.
Is it in here?
No.
Do you still have the feather?
No, it fell out.
Is that what's right there?
Yeah.
Why don't you just take it out and clean it?
Because it's ruined.
No, it's not. That's an animal.
Okay. Thanks, babe. We are home from the gym and I just took a shower. I actually had to film this campaign that I'm doing with L'Oreal of trying out their Everpure Bonding Strengthening face mask, or no, hair mask, I'm sorry. And so yeah, I had to wash my hair today, even though I washed it 2 days ago, which I usually don't do. I usually wait. I've been doing like 3-4 days at least. So I'm gonna like style my hair and everything. Luckily it's a performance day, so I feel like my hair will be a good use. But I just got this Dr. Dennis Gross steamer. Oh my gosh, game changer. I literally just used it for the first time yesterday and I'm already obsessed. I did like a whole face mask. I posted a whole TikTok about it if you guys want to check it out. But oh, I'm obsessed. I will link it down below along with some other steamers that are similar that you can get off of Amazon. But I'm obsessed. I think I am gonna do a face mask. Why not? Self-care every day. Like yesterday I did a face mask and kind of took my time and everything, but also like it's a nice Saturday. I feel like every day that we have time to really just like give ourselves a little bit of love, we're gonna do it. Oh, feels so good. Pretty sure I showed you guys this one in the last vlog, but this is the Kiehl's Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. Because I did a deep pore cleanser one yesterday, I wanted to do this one afterwards. I just didn't have time, so I think I'm gonna do this one today just to show my skin a little bit of love. A little bit of love. This just feels so nourishing. It's definitely like if you need moisture in your skin, because this is like deep penetration. This is so good. I literally feel like I'm putting avocado on my face. Like pretty sure you could probably just do this with avocado, which is lovely because I love avocado. We got a new protein. Pro-Yim. I like this flavor. Did you have some?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty basic. Not like...
It's good for cooking. I feel like when I make protein pancakes, it comes out.
How many scoops do you use for protein pancakes?
Like one.
Sugar, that's good. The stuff in the washer, the dishwasher is dirty, so you just throw your dishes in there.
Okay.
Don't let them build up in there.
Okay, Dad. You're not gonna give me a beso?
I haven't left yet.
You're leaving the kitchen.
I'm back. You got all this green on your face.
It's an avocado mask, babe.
That does not even smell like avocado.
I'm gonna be using the Khalifa Farms organic almond milk. So good because it only has 3 ingredients. And I was making almond milk in a few vlogs ago. But to be honest, it just takes so long. Like, I just don't have the time. So the days I do have the time, I will make it. But this is like a good alternative. Church Sunday morning, got our coffee. YouTube will not let me play this song. YouTube will be like, Fleetwood Mac will be like, no, you cannot play Dreams in your YouTube video at all. It's restricted completely.
That's the way the Eagles are too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they are. I mean, smart. But heading to church. Played last night. We have some friends from El Paso. My trainer, Lizzie, and her husband. Our trainers.
Yeah. Shane was my trainer for a long time.
Shane was your trainer for a long time.
Taught me a lot.
Kind of, well, Lizzie for sure changed my body. I would not look this way.
I was looking at a picture with the first picture I took with Shane. Mm-hmm. Damn. Okay, I've come a long way.
You've come a long way. So Lizzie is a bodybuilding competitor and she competed here in Nashville. And she got 3rd place.
Out of 26.
Which is really, really good.
3rd place out of 26 pros? Like, come on.
Insane. And so they had the competition yesterday, and then she came out and saw me perform.
Riley's calling me.
We went out for a little bit, but it was wild. It's Saturday night, Nashville. Oh, he's calling you?
Wait.
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
He's probably like, should I save his seats? But yeah. I was totally okay with not staying out super late. And now we're heading to church and then we'll head to brunch. And I want to take him to Centennial Park. I think that'll be nice. After brunch. Mm-hmm. It's like so close. I don't know if they're going to want to go back to Broadway, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Getting a donut. Yes.
OG. You want?
Yeah.
What'd you get, babe?
I got the maple glaze and then one of the mini purists.
Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
I'll try it, $5.
No, you're good.
You sure?
Yeah, that's your purist right there.
Oh, thank you. Which one? This one?
Yeah, it says.
Is that? Hi.
Hello.
Ooh, thank you.
It's the same one you have.
Is that the same one?
Yeah.
The
First.
Do you want to try the mini?
Take a bite.
Oh my god.
Is it delicious? For whatever reason. Is there everything you've ever wanted and more?
It's.
I want to try a bite. Oh my god.
It's fantastic.
Oh my god. Maybe I'm a donut for dinner.
I know that. The woman?
It's amazing.
She walks in with stuff all over me. She's like, this is amazing.
That looks incredible.
This has got like this like creamy stuff inside of it.
Yeah. It's like layers.
Oh my gosh. Yum.
It's fluffy. Oh yeah. I got some cool pictures.
Can you take that one, Mama? Oh my god.
Ay, Dios mío.
It is so dang hot. It is hot, y'all.
It's a doozy.
It's a doozy. We went to Frothy Monkey for brunch. We got some donuts at Five Daughters Bakery. So good. Best. You're gonna turn right here.
Right?
Yeah. Best donut I've ever had, honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine was outstanding. I don't know. It's gonna take me a little bit to really determine if that was the best.
And that was, for me, I'm not a big donut girl. I haven't had a lot of donuts in my life, so take that with what you will. But Lizzie said it was the best donut, and she's a donut girl. Like, she loves donuts.
She knows her donuts.
You're gonna turn left on Eugenia Avenue, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 streets away. I'll just tell you when. But it is so hot. We took them to Centennial Park just to see it, and then they called it quits. They were like, we gotta go take a nap, and we're like, all right, we're going to Home Goods.
Eugenia. Left?
Yeah. But it is a little too hot for my liking. A little warm out in these streets. Oof. So now we're going to Home Goods.